Well, good morning again from Dynodaze. There's less snow on the ground today, it's all clear, so we're happy with that. We've got this beautiful Colt Ralliart in. It's quite clean. It must have given it a little wipe over before it got here, which I like. This one's in for stage 1 clutch and lightened flywheel and some gearbox oil, 75W90 fully synthetic. It's got some nice yellow calipers, hasn't it? So we're just waiting for a job to come off the ramps, and then this one will be going on. Yeah, nice motor. Let's get cracking. In the meantime, whilst I wait for that, I'll drink this hot cup of tea from my Dynodaze mug. Cheers, Infinity Decals, you're the man. Here's the box, which is off. Jason's done well so far, ripping all that out. Drained the gearbox oil, we've got fresh oil to go in it. Here's all the old kit. So we're fitting a stage 1 plus a lightened flywheel. That will certainly help this one out. Oh, lovely, Jason.
Nice light flywheel, Daniel.
Oh, it looks very nice. Let's have a look at the new clutch, shall we? Jason's getting Mardy because he says I'm in his way. We haven't got all day. So there we go. So there's some new kit going on. Lovely, lovely. Well, there's a nice Skyline that's come out of the unit. And Jason's finally got the gearbox back in. Now, as you guys know, the stage 1 clutches are good for about 205 brake horsepower and 225 foot-pound of torque. Absolutely recommended if you're going to be wanting us to map your Colts up on the tech software. So that's back together, pretty successful. There's a bedded in process to deal with now. I'd usually say about 350 miles on sort of off boost or low boost, and then start feeding the power in after that. You got your 500 miles really to get that done, and then you can start really playing with it again, and it will definitely hold that torque up. Good kit available on the website, as you guys know. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And if you need any help with your Mitsubishi Colt, you know where we are. Cheers, guys.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.